Hello everyone, welcome to another Omarchy video series. In this video, I'll show you how to install Clipboard Manager to manage a clipboard history. The application we'll be installing is called CopyQ and it's a clipboard manager with very advanced feature like you can have text, images and so on. So this is a very good clipboard manager for Linux. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. So we'll go ahead and install it now. So first of all, fire up the unified menu system by pressing Super Alt and space and then type in install and then go to packages and then you'll just need to type CopyQ. So you'll see Clipboard Manager will searchable and editable history. So you'll go ahead and press install and then type in your password and then it should be installed in a bit. So once done, you can type any press to close this window. So our CopyQ package is installed and you can start the application by launching the application launcher by pressing super and space and then just type CopyQ. So as you can see, this is how the CopyQ looks like. So you see this is currently in a floating window and that I configure it afterwards, so you can do it that as well. So I'll just show you how to do that. So to do this floating window for your CopyQ window, so you just have to press super space and super alt space and then go to setup and then go to config and then go to hyperland. And here at the bottom you should see .config/hyper/windows.cf. Open that file by pressing GF and then at the end you should just have this window rule, so which is just says floating window for application with class CopyQ. So after you do that, just save it and then whenever you type launch the CopyQ, you will see that it's in floating window. You can also go ahead and have a keyboard binding. Let's say in my case it's super and Q, so whenever I type super and Q, it should open the clipboard manager. You can do this as well. So again, hit the unified menu system by pressing super alt space and then go to setup and then go to key binding. And here at the bottom you can see there's a key binding called super and with the Q, and then it just launches the CopyQ with toggle. So that means like whenever I press Q, it hides and unhides. So thank you for watching this. I hope this was useful.